Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about ramp safety, which is a very specialized topic of aviation safety. And for 2006 and 2007, I worked for AOPA's, or Aircraft Owners and Pilot Association Air Safety Foundation, traveling around the country giving air safety talks. Stand by for a particular example of ramp safety.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now here's a particular example. Here's an airplane on the ramp. It's open. There's no owner standing nearby. It's not chocked. It's not tied down. And there's a vehicle near it. Is it waiting on fuel? Don't know. Could be a potential problem. Anyway, with ramp safety, and here's a lot of gravel and stuff between the hangars which can get in and nick props and stuff. But I was working for Air Safety Foundation, and they asked if I wanted to do a survey of my airport against a checklist, and I did. The owners of my airport and the manager were not very happy with my results. Stay tuned for more of that fun. Then you get to look at how cluttered is your ramp area. Here's an airplane obviously in for maintenance, pieces of it around, a tent nearby, a hangar door open, and as you can see, vehicles out in the yard. They have to be cleared to get the airplane out, another vehicle waiting to come in, cars, dogs, people, a very cluttered, very confusing environment which could cause some problems. And again, here's the airplane on the ramp, no attending, and a vehicle nearby. Did the owner just walk off? Could be a safety issue, more than likely not. Here's an airplane on the ramp where it could roll into a vehicle parked near the ramp, not chocked, not tied down. Here are fuel trucks on concrete pads near the ramp. I don't see any cones to mark it, but you should know. Now here they're marking where they're doing some gravel construction to redo the road out to the taxiways. But again, these are marked with orange cones. And then you have a mix of vehicles on the airplane ramp. Here you have two pickup trucks. You have a trailer chocked right there. No cones around it. Here you have a jet with its wings extending over into the grass. The good thing here is you do have cones marking off that area so nobody gets nearby. And then finally, anybody want to talk about lighting and smoking around aviation fuel traveling the ramp? Well, we hope you found these objects useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.